Hey everybody, welcome to our GPay's video. Sorry guys, facing a problem. We're not able to get a SMS code, or like your SMS code is not being sent from your GPay to your SIM card. Then you guys are at the right video, because in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your GPay's SMS not sending to Android. Now before I show you the way on how you guys can fix this problem, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. Now let's get into the video. But before getting into the problem, for those people who do not know GPay, GPay is a mobile payment app which was developed by Google, which you can use to pay for different stuff, which is similar to PayPal and Cash App. Alright, now let's say you're trying to send SMS to your mobile number and it's not sending. The first reason could be if your internet connection is slow, which is not allowing GPay to send that SMS. And the other thing could be if your SIM card is not picking up any network. So make sure you're in a place where there's plenty of network, so like your SIM card can send that SMS, or your Google Pay can send that SMS to your SIM card so you can get that code. And the other thing could be if you guys are in a country where GPay is banned. So if you guys try to send SMS to your phone number and that phone number belongs to a country where GPay is not available, then it's not gonna send any SMS, and it's basically the problem. You need to be in a country where GPay is available. So you gotta look up if your country is available in GPay or not, because GPay is not available in our country. So you gotta be careful with that. And the other thing is you need to have at least sufficient balance for GPay to send SMS to your SIM card, because if you have zero balance on your SIM card, it's not gonna work. So make sure you have at least that amount of money which could be used to send SMS. All right, don't make like your SIM card has $0. You need to have sufficient amount of money in your SIM card in order to send SMS, all right? Because GPay is going to use your SIM card in order to send the SMS, all right? And the other step to fix this problem is just delete your GPay and reinstall it again and try to send the code, and it should send the code. And sometimes basically if GPay is under maintenance or your SIM card company is under maintenance, then you guys are not going to receive the code, all right? So make sure to check if they're under maintenance, because if GPay is under maintenance, they're not going to send the code. And if your SIM card company is under maintenance, then they are not going to receive the code, all right? So you got to make sure if they are not on, maintenance break. And if they're not under maintenance break, and as I've told you, if you try the method which I just said in this video, it should fix your problem. So just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, everybody, and bye-bye.